Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of dictionaries in Python. So we are following topics in my presentation: Introduction to Dictionaries, Length of a Dictionary, the Dictionary Constructor to create a dictionary. Let's understand one by one. Introduction to Dictionaries. It is a collection of key value pairs. The keys in dictionary act as a unique identifier, and a value can be any Python object. Dictionaries allow us to store and retrieve value based on their keys only. Here the syntax of dictionary is: to create a dictionary we have to write dictionary name with the help of assignment operator. Under this braces we have to type key values, key value 1, key value 2, which is separated by semicolon. Now let's understand with the help of an example. First of all, open your command prompt. Let's activate Python interactive shell. Here I am declaring one variable car. This is my dictionary name, equal to, under this braces I am typing here model, brand, semicolon operator. Now the value is 40. Now I am creating second key value, model, now in this dictionary we have total two key value pair. The first key value pair is brand OD and the second key value pair is model 7. Now each key value pair is separated by semicolon. Now I hit enter. Now I want to check whether the dictionary is created or not. For this, type dictionary name and hit enter. Yes, you will get the output. Brand and model. Two key value pairs has been created in my dictionary. Now move on next topic. It cannot have two items with same key. It means duplicates are not allowed in dictionary. If two items with same key, only one item will store in your dictionary. Let's understand with the help of an example. I am taking same example here. Here I am declaring another key value, model, and the value of model is 8. We are trying to duplicate items. We will get not any error. Now I hit enter. We will get not any error. Now the question is, which key value pair is stored inside the dictionary, model 7 or model 8? The one which comes later, it is stored in my dictionary. Understand? When I type dictionary name and hit enter, the last value, model 8, is stored in my dictionary because it comes after model 7. Now it is clear to you. Now move on next topic. Length of a dictionary. If we want to find a length of dictionary, we can find out easily with the help of length function. Again, I am in command prompt. Here I am typing length function, len. Under this length function, I am typing my dictionary name and hit enter. The length of my dictionary is 2 because here there are two key values, model and brand only. So the length of my dictionary is 2. Now next topic, dictionary constructor. It is an alternative way to create a dictionary. We know only one approach. Now we are using second approach. Again I am in command prompt. Here I am declaring one variable again, car, dictionary, DICT. Under this round bracket, I am typing here brand, model, here keys are not separated by any quotation mark like this, or we are using assignment operator here. When I hit enter, we will get not any error. Now I want to check with the help of dictionary name and hit enter. Yes, dictionary has been created with two key items. Here I am using assignment operator. So it is up to you which method you want to use in this programming. Okay, there are two approaches. whether you use first approach, whether you use this alternative approach with the help of dictionary constructor. I hope all this concept is clear to you. We have understood about definition of dictionaries. We have seen the syntax of dictionary, and we have seen the length of dictionary and the alternative method to create a dictionary with the help of dictionary constructor. I hope all this concept is clear to you. This is it for now. Thanks for watching this presentation. Have a nice day.